Yeah, I can able to see a lot of students here. They got placed, and day by day they are going to jobs interviews. Yeah, I can able to see them.
Hi, Aisha.
Hi, hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
Okay. So this is Aruna from Quality Department, Aisha. I just want to take a learning feedback from your side. So can you introduce about yourself?
I'm Ashiya. I'm from Madurai. I'm studying third year civil engineering in Velammal College of Engineering and Technology. I came here for internship for 1 month. Yeah,
Okay. So how was your internship? So what and all you learned in that?
yeah, that was so good, and I learned a lot of things, and I visited a lot of sites, and I came to know a lot of about interiors, and I visited some sites.
Okay. So like where did you go? Like Homeland Design Cafe?
Yeah,
What are the
I,
sites you had been?
yeah, command center side we went, and I came to know about some different new methodologies which is handled in construction.
So how was your software training and all?
Yeah, they provide CAD for us, and it was so good and useful.
So you're from Madurai, right?
Yeah,
So you had been relocated to Bangalore.
yeah,
So how did you face that and how did you overcome that?
yeah. At first, it was a little bit scary for me because I went no place at all. So when I came here, they gave some help to me, and it really helped a lot.
So they guided you.
Yeah, they guided me, and they arranged accommodation for me.
So yeah. So after coming here, you just had a analyze of job things and all, right?
Yeah.
So how was that?
Yeah, at first I have no knowledge about how can a job be like for girls, and some guiders guide me like where should I go for what purpose. Yeah,
Okay, in which path you have to move on with your career.
yeah, I'm interested in quantity survey.
So that career guidance and
Intelligent
all, have
design.
you got it?
Yeah, yeah, got.
Okay. So surely you have to visit CMTI again
Yeah,
for
sure.
your very good placements. Actually, even you're seeing all the seniors are going out with a very good placement on
Yeah.
daily basis. So can you tell me about that, Aisha?
Yeah, I can able to see a lot of students here. They got placed, and day by day they are going to jobs interviews. Yeah, I can able to see them.
Like tell me your overall experience. How was that?
Yeah, for at first it was a little bit difficult to because I relocated from my native, and then now I can able to manage everything, and I have learned a lot about construction, that kind of things.
So next time you will surely relocate to Bangalore.
Yeah, sure.
Fine. So how was CMTI app? How did that help you?
Yeah, I saw a lot of courses they're providing, and surely I take them.
Fine. So how was stats of CMTI and all?
Yeah, they're so friendly, and every single staff are so friendly.
Fine. So can you tell me about your trainers?
Yeah, we can easily in contact with them. They are so interactive and so friendly, so we can easily clarify our doubts.
So Aisha, can you tell me about Ashok sir? So how was his guidance for you?
Yeah, I heard about him at first, and I came here, and he was so friendly, and it was easy to talk to him and contact with him. He's so friendly.
How was his approach?
Yeah, that was good.
So he used to come to you and get the update himself, right?
Yeah,
So that is a very big thing from him.
yeah,
Fine. So what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Aisha?
yeah. You can surely visit CMTI.
So thank you so much. Like all the best for your upcoming future days. And I hope you complete your civil successfully and come back to CMTI again.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you so much, Aisha. Thank you so much.
Thank you.